Drove up to Louisville this morning from Nashville, and this is the place where the home of the Louisville Slugger, the baseball bat. You see people walking around with little mini baseball bats. This is the self-proclaimed home of Muhammad Ali and Colonel Sanders of Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's also the main bourbon site, the main site of bourbon whiskey. The production of it. There's some history with the sit-ins in the 60s with the African Americans coming in and sitting into establishments that wouldn't allow them. This was along 4th Street. You can see some plaques for that and some things about that. I guess a lot of the buildings that they originally sat in don't exist anymore, but they have some plaques about it. So I was looking for where to busk, and around 4th Street and Liberty, which is right by the Visitor Center, there was some buskers already there. I saw them. That's kind of a general area, like 4th Street seems to be. And that was the happening street way back when, decades ago. I wanted to go a little off 4th Street, and I stumbled upon there's bourbon barrels that you walk by. You can walk through a bourbon barrel basically. And so I saw that, and it seemed like a really nice area. Anywhere where there's brick sidewalk is a cool area to busk.
But these folks say it won't last forever. I think about it often. On a Sunday lounging around the house, pick up my phone and I call them. Hear their voice on the other line. We shared so many years together. Tell me how you been, Dad. Tell me, Dad, how's the weather?
I had a really good time, actually. I enjoyed watching the people. A lot of business people, a lot of working people. Today is a Thursday. It's like, I guess it's about 5. I was there from maybe 4 to 5. I played about 15 songs, made $17, gave away 1 download card, and I had a good time. It's a cool place. It's also right by the water, which is nice. I always like to see the water, take the little scooter out, scoot around, although I'm a little traumatized because some business owner got upset at me where I tried to park the scooter last night. There's a little conflict between the scooter people, and I'm pro scooters because for one, it's just when I'm visiting a town, some towns are very easy to get around in with the scooters. Nashville was very nice. Nashville was pretty nice. Like, you know, for example, Tulsa was really good with scooters. Memphis was pretty nice scootering around. Other towns aren't as good. Louisville is kind of difficult. There's a lot of construction going on, so I had a difficult time scootering around. But once you get to the riverfront and you're along the river for a little bit, that was pretty nice. That was pretty cool. So thanks for checking out my video. I'm going around all the places. I'm going all around the U.S. checking out cities and trying to figure out the vibe of the city by the facial expressions that people give me when I'm playing music on the street. Hit that subscribe and the bell if you want in on some more of my travels and my busking experiences. I also post psychological ideas, and I post about my new music, 1 song per month. So hit the like if you like, hit the share if you share.